So, hello mga coders, welcome back. We will talk about looping. So, there are three types of looping statement now: for loop, do while, and while loop. So, but today, we will just talk about for loop. So, karon sa man na nimo gamiton si for loop. I have here a example. So, I have here a 1 to 10 numbers. So, how will you print this out, these 1 to 10 numbers? Okay? So, by the use of for loop, we can easily print out this number. But kung dili ka magamit og for loop, unsa man imong buhaton? You will type system dot out dot print ln, then you will copy so you will 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So kung dili, if you will not use for loop, no, ingani mong buhaton, magtype kag system.out.println ka na po, no, and you will see the result. You will see the 1 to 10 numbers. Oops, ato lang rin 1 to 10 numbers. The 10 numbers, di ba? So, if you will use for loop, dali ra kaayo siya. By simply type kag for and I. So, I is a variable. So, pwede ra ka magamit og laing variable. Anything A, B, C, D to Z, okay ra na. A equals 1, I is less than or equal to 10 because 10 is the maximum number. Then I plus plus. So you will print system print ln. Sorry guys. I semicolon. Save. We'll run it and let's see. Oh, as you can see, no, 1 to 10 numbers, the same ra gyud ang result. So if you will use for loop, no, easy ra kaayo ang pag-print sa 1 to 10 numbers. Dili na ka maglisod, di para to mag-create kag napo ka system.out.println. So masasol to. So kay what if mag-print kag 1 to 1000, so ka 1000 pud nimo paste ang system.out.println, dili. So pinaagis for loop, very easy ra kaayo. Kay you will just kung 1000 ang kuan, maximum number, so you will change this 10 into 1000 and save and then run it. So you can see kuha to siya 1000. So yan ang concept of for loop. Mo na concept sa for loop. So now integers na siya, but how about sa string? Yes, for loop is also applicable to string. So, ngani. So, we'll declare string here. String data type. String name equals Jonathan Ikahes. Yan. So, how will you print this Jonathan Ikahes 100 times? So, by the use of for loop, we can print this string name 100 times. How? By type for and I for int I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 100,000 or 100. I plus plus system dot out dot print ln name. Okay, so name. So we'll try to run this and let's see what will happen. So okay, we run it. As you can see, Jonathan Ika has print 100 times. How will you know that it print 100 times? By simply putting the variable I here. Save. Run. 100 times, sorry, 100 times. Diba? 100 times. So, yan. So, giunsa man ipag himo. So, from the variable I equals 1, 1 is less than 2, 100, then I plus plus the name. So, I hope nga naman nakatunan. So, by the way, for loop is not also it's not just also applicable in incrementation, no, but for loop is also applicable to decrementation. Like for example, for int I is equal to 10, then I is done or equal to 1, then I plus plus I decrement, because decrement ito example. So, will system dot out dot print ln I, and let's see what will happen. Sorry. Save it and run it. As you can see, it print 10 to 1, 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, because we did not use a incrementation but we use an decrementation. So, or pagamay siya from 10 ang start, then the condition, then the decrementation. So that's why it print out 10 to 1. So I hope namin understand, namin nakatunan karon. So don't forget to subscribe. Then thank you and stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you.